Factors affecting diaper usage duration.
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this segment, we'll be discussing the various factors that can impact the usage duration of a diaper. As parents, it's important to understand how different factors, such as the age of the child or the type of activity they are engaged in, can affect the duration for which a diaper can be used. So, let's dive right in.
Age of the child.
The age of the child plays a significant role in determining the usage duration of a diaper. Newborns and infants typically require more frequent diaper changes compared to older babies and toddlers. Newborns may need to be changed as often as every 1 to 3 hours, while older babies can generally go longer between diaper changes. As babies grow, their bladder and bowel control improves, and they produce less frequent but larger amounts of urine and feces. This development allows for extended usage of diapers. Toddlers, who are usually between 1 and 3 years old, can typically go longer periods without needing a diaper change, often ranging from 2 to 4 hours.
Type of activity.
The type of activity the child is engaged in can also affect the duration for which a diaper can be used. Sleeping or resting periods usually require less frequent diaper changes since the child is not as active and may produce less urine or feces during this time. On the other hand, playtime and physical activities can increase the frequency of diaper changes. When children are active, their bodies generate more heat, which can lead to increased sweating and urine production. Additionally, the movements involved in active play can sometimes lead to a higher chance of bowel movements, necessitating more frequent diaper changes.
Fluid intake and diet.
Another factor that can influence diaper usage duration is the child's fluid intake and diet. Babies who are breastfeeding or formula-fed have different bowel habits compared to those who have started consuming solid foods. Breastfed babies often have more frequent bowel movements, which may require more frequent diaper changes. Conversely, formula-fed babies and those on solid foods may have less frequent bowel movements, allowing for longer usage of a diaper. Additionally, the child's fluid intake can impact diaper usage. If the child is consuming larger amounts of fluids, they may produce more urine, necessitating more frequent diaper changes.
Diaper quality and absorbency.
The quality and absorbency of the diaper itself play a crucial role in determining its usage duration. High-quality diapers with excellent absorbency can keep the baby dry for a longer period, reducing the need for frequent changes. Diapers with features such as enhanced leak protection and wetness indicators can also help parents gauge when a diaper change is necessary. It's important to choose diapers that are appropriate for the child's age and size, as a well-fitting diaper can optimize its absorbency and prevent leaks. Remember, each child is unique, and what works well for one may not work as effectively for another. That wraps up our discussion on the factors that can impact the usage duration of a diaper. We've explored how the age of the child, the type of activity they are engaged in, their fluid intake and diet, as well as the quality and absorbency of the diaper can all contribute to the frequency of diaper changes. Remember to consider these factors when managing your child's diaper needs. By understanding the various influences at play, you can ensure that your little one remains comfortable, dry, and happy throughout their diaper-wearing years. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave.